Hello friends, today we are going to be discuss about how to create a table in SQL developer. Using the query language, we are going to be creating a table for storing the set of data. Table means what? Row and column, correct? Which is data is organized into tables with the rows and columns. Okay. In my next video, I'm going to be tell you what is difference between the primary and foreign key. That is different. Okay, first we have to enter into the basic level of how to create the table. This is the important. Okay, so here there is four different type of database languages there. First one is data definition language. Second one is data manipulation language. Third one is data control language. The fourth one is transactional control language. This is the four types. Here you can see definition, which is basic level of table creation. Manipulation, which is if you update or insert or alter, whatever it is, it comes under manipulation. Data control, which is controlled by the user. It is restriction or any permission, those kind of actions taken under the data control language. Coming to the final one, transactional control language. It is advanced level of the control, the similar to control only. When we have to transfer, we have to update more than two tables look like. Okay. So come to the first one, data definition language. Again, I'm telling you in this video, I'm going to be cover only create concept only, which is comes under DDL. Fine. What is create? Just you are going to be create a database, either table. That's it. You don't want to insert anything. I'm just telling how to create. Okay. So under data definition language, this kind of commands you can able to see: create, alter, drop, truncate, command, rename. This kind of basic actions you can able to do under DDL. Fine. Come to create. If you want to create any database or table, what is the steps? This is the syntax. Create database. If you are going to be create database, then you can follow create. This is the command. Database. Okay. Database name. Whatever your wish. The user defined name only. So here example is create database books. That's it. Okay. After that it will be creating the empty database. You didn't store any data. After hit this command, you will be get one empty database. Okay. Coming to the next, create table concept. Okay. Before moving to database, first we have to understand how to create the table. Okay. Create table name. So this is the syntax. Okay. Table name, whether student or employee or any whatever it is, college or university, whatever it is, table name you can give as a user define it. Okay. Then what are the column name you want? Those things you have to insert here. Okay. Let's look at this example. Create table student. Here I created student ID or roll number, what is the first name, last name, age and marks. Here you have to check the data type. When you are studied in Java language, any programming language, that time you have to understand what is the data type. Integer, float, decimal, character, string, different kind of database we have seen in programming language. Look like similar to here for SQL also. We can try to understand integer, varchar. So in a programming language we are using character or string. Here we have to use varchar. Okay, that's it. This is a simple table. Now I am going to be show you how to create the table in Oracle SQL developer. Okay. Open Oracle SQL developer. So now it's open successfully. After this, you can expand this XE. Click on this plus icon. That time you will be get one pop-up which is enter the password. Please note it here. Already I covered how we can set the password, what password we have to enter while opening this Oracle SQL developer. Okay, make it note in your notepad or in your sticky notes wherever. While your installation of this Oracle SQL developer, that time itself you created the new password. Okay, that password only you have to enter whenever you are opening that software. Fine. So this part I have to cover the SQL part 4, which is how to connect database with Oracle SQL developer. So now I'm going to be enter the password. Actually first time I forgot the password. After only I can recollect what is the password. Okay. Click on OK. So now it was connected successfully. Open the empty one. Here how to start to create write your query. Now we are going to be create a table. Create table. What is the table name you can give? I can give college, or else I can give employee. Fine. Bracket. Here employee ID. The employee ID should whether integer or character, whatever you want, the data type you can store it. Now I make it integer. That's it. Put as comma. Employee name. The name I can define data type as a worker. Worker. Here I am going to be define the character length. Maximum character length you can define it here. For example, NATASA. NATASA is NTASA 5 characters, right? You can put some maximum characters. The limit 20 character have to put. Okay. Next I have to employee salary put as integer. Fine. I can. This is the query. I'm going to be execute this script. Let's see. Table employee created successfully. Okay. I want to see the table. How I can do? That command is select star from the table name is employee. Okay. This concept I will cover later. I just want to show you whether created table as displayed or not. I want to show you. Okay. See, after I run this one, ID, name, salary. The table has created but empty data. There is no data we didn't insert as of now. So this is the steps we have to follow for creating the table.